Hello and welcome Power Automate Award team. This is Sandeep, Microsoft Power Automate MVP. And today I'm going to demonstrate a very good application which we did for one of our client who is in rice processing and paddy procurement business. The kind of problems they were facing as they are dealing with the farmers, they are dealing with the blue collar employee as well. At the same time, they want very interesting reports so they can take decision. So that is where they were not finding a very interesting third party application by which they can get full flexibility to automate their each and every process. And that's why we suggested Power Pages and Power Automate. And that is what changed their game. Today, they are able to control each and everything, like taking samples from former using Microsoft Form, a very easy form, and then automate each and every step in their business, have the control like who is going to check which step. And then towards the end, they have the dashboard to see where their business is heading towards. So I will give you a very good example. Like you can see, we added products, we added purchase orders, then producers, millers, each and every element in their business added here. But I would like to give you an example of one process automation, that is the work order. And once we'll go here in work order, you can see they have 6 steps in their work order. And the first step is getting sample, then second step is to assign a mailer, then dispatch quality to check the dispatch quality, then assign a logistic, and then create a purchase order, and then invoicing. So they wanted complete check in on each and every step in their process. So we created this kind of form. Behind the scene, we created some Power Automate flow to send the notification whenever like a person is getting assigned for a particular step, he will get notified. So this is how you can see created by sample and the agent name. Who is the agent by which we are getting this particular sample? So let me show you, like this is ongoing. Let me show you this one. So here you can see this is in a 6th step. So managing sample, you can manage sample from here. Then you can assign to a particular miller, like they have these many mills, so they are assigning to this particular miller. Then they have dispatch quality, logistics, they will assign a particular logistic, and then they will create a purchase order, and then they will generate invoice. So behind the scene, we created multiple flows, Power Automate flow, whatever screens you can see. Behind the scene, we don't have any kind of code. Everything we are managing using Power Pages, and then all the flows we created using Power Automate. So that's the power of Power Platform. When you are not able to automate any kind of business process, like you are not able to automate your custom business process, your custom business requirement in any third party application, you can use Power Automate, low code, no code, and able to automate your business process. And this is how it's helping other businesses. So I hope whatever businesses, whichever facing problem to automate their business process, they can use Power Pages and Power Automate. So this is it, what I wanted to demonstrate. This is Sandeep Misra signing out till we meet again.